Morning students of class 9. You are welcome back to the online portal now. Let's continue our lesson in English from the text, from your text book, chapter 7, the packing. So now, so far we have reached on page 83, 84. So from page 83, we'll continue. In our previous class, we have learned that Jerome, the writer, he was quite proud of his qualities, the qualities of packing. He knew that he could pack better than anyone else. So, and they had to go for a short trip, and there were three friends, George, Harris and Jerome, the writer. Now, the writer actually wanted George and Harris to pack, and he wanted them, himself to instruct them to pack. But ultimately these two friends, George and Harris, could not understand what he meant. They sat down and started smoking, and ultimately the writer, he himself, had to start packing. So since he was quite proud of his qualities, so he made many mistakes. Very often he made mistake one after another. Well, let's see what mistakes he had made. So now from page 83, 84, Jerome had to open the bag many times. He had to open the bag many times. After packing, he forgot his boots. Harris showed him that you have left the boots and won't you pack your boots. Then he had to open the bag and he put the boots in. As he put the boots in, he forgot about his toothbrush, which he could not do without it. So again he had to open. He took all the things out and he shook it and found. At last he found that the toothbrush was inside the boots. Then again after packing, he forgot that again he had forgotten about his tobacco pouch. He had packed his tobacco pouch inside, so he had to open it again because he needed it on the way. So in this way, Jerome had to open bag many times. First, he had opened the bag to put his boots in. He had to open. And secondly, he had to open for toothbrush again. Secondly, he had to open it for toothbrush to find his toothbrush, whether he has put it inside or not. Then again the third time, he had to open it because he had packed the tobacco pouch inside. He needed it on the way. That's why without that he could not do it. So he had to open it. So in this way, very frequently, very often, now and then, he made a lot of mistakes. Why? Because he was quite proud of his quality. That's why he made mistakes. He wanted to show them, these two friends, that he was very good in packing. So, number 2. At last he had finished packing. And strapped the bag shut. He strapped the bag and shut the bag. Then Harris asked him if he had packed the soap or not. So when Harris asked him if he had packed the soap, so Jerome replied, I don't care whether the soap is inside the bag or not. I don't care. Now I'm not going to open it again. So he said that. He sat down, and now it was the time for George and Harris to pack the hamper. So now he sat down. Now he said that now it is your turn to pack the hamper. Hamper means a basket with a lid. It's usually a bamboo basket or a cane basket, and usually having a lid. That's called a hamper. So he sat down, and now it was George and Harris's turn to pack the hamper. Hamper means a basket with a lid. In older times, people used to use hamper, but now we don't find this type of baskets with a lid. So now, number 4, they began, now both of them, George and Harris, they began packing things. They began in a light-hearted spirit. Light-hearted spirit means they were quite happy. They also were proud that they wanted to show the writer that they too can pack very nicely. So in this way, they began packing things in a light-hearted spirit, happy, trying to show the writer that they too can pack properly, or they to know how to pack things properly. So in this way they also wanted to show the writer that they can also pack things properly. And there were many things to pack, such as eatable things and plates, cups, jugs, jams, tomatoes, swords, many other things, eatable things were there to pack in the hamper. So there were plates, cups, kettles, bottles, jars, and all kinds of things to pack. All kinds of things like eatable things are also were there: cakes, pies, tomatoes, salts, and many other things, butters, and there were many things. They started. Now George and Harris started packing things inside the hamper. They started with breaking a cup. In the beginning, they started by baking a cup. With breaking a cup, then George packed strawberry jam above the tomatoes, the bottle, strawberry jam bottles. They put it on top of the tomatoes. The heavy things on top of the tomatoes. Tomatoes are very soft, so they squashed. George squashed the tomatoes, and George had to scoop out the broken tomatoes, squashed tomatoes with a spoon. So they too started making mistakes. They were doing things without thinking. Why? Because initially the writer was very proud that he could pack very well, better than anyone else. So he made mistakes very often. He forgot things to pack, and again open and again repack. And now here George and Harris, now it is their turn. They too were proud. They wanted to show the writer that they too can pack properly. So in this way, trying to show the writer, they started making mistakes now. Instead of packing heavier things at the bottom, they are packing heavier things on top of the lighter or the softer things, such as they put the tomatoes on top, and on top of that tomatoes they put the heavy jar of strawberry jam bottle. So naturally the tomato got squashed and they had to take it out. And after that again they spilled the salt all over it. So in this way they made both George and Harris also made a lot of mistakes. Initially they started with breaking a cup, then they squashed the tomatoes, then they spilled the salt all over the food. So in this way, later on they squashed the butter, they kept the butter on the floor and they stamped on it, and in this way they made a lot of mistakes. So this was for today. In the next class we will talk about how these George and Harris, they carried on packing. They started packing by breaking a cup, then squashed the tomatoes, and after that more things happened. So in our next class we will talk about that, and this was for today. Listen, go through this properly, and thank you for today for watching your video attentively and listening carefully. So you must go through the online portal every day, so don't forget it. Many of the students, they are not going through the online portal, so it's their mistakes. They should not have done that. They should go through the online portal every day so that they will not miss the lessons and all. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and carry on more. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.